In this lesson, we're gonna talk about how to express the large amount of something. So we use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. Also, we can use a lot of, lots of with both countable and uncountable nouns. So this is like alternative for many and much. So you can see some examples here: many books, countable, many friends, many people, many tables, many birds. You can see much water, much traffic, much soup, much pollution, much money. So those are not countable, okay? Uncountable, water or money, pollution. So the money seems like a countable, but you can count the money as like a dollar. You can say I have $10 or I have $20, but you don't say I have 10 money. Okay, so you can say I have a lot of money, I have lots of money, or I don't have any money. You say, so you don't say monies. There is no s to the countable uncountable nouns. So you can say a lot of books, lots of books, a lot of traffic, lots of traffic. So you see we use a lot of or lots of with the countable and uncountable nouns. So many, I have many friends, I have a lot of friends, I have lots of friends. I don't have many friends, I don't have a lot of friends, or I don't have lots of friends. Those are all same meaning. Whichever you want you can use, no problem. And let's go to much. I have much time. I have a lot of time. I have lots of time. So here there's a problem. Like usually much is not used with the positive sentence. It's so formal. So people prefer actually I have a lot of time. I have lots of time. That's better. So I don't have much time. I don't have a lot of time. Do you have much time? Do you have a lot of time? So all of them is okay with the negative or question sentence. Much is alright. No problem with that. So the last one is too many, too much. So if I say I have many books, I have many books. Oh, that's good. I have many books. So I like books. I have many books. That's good. But when I say I have too many books, so that's disturbing. So I don't like that. So if you don't like something, you say too many books. I have too many books. So that's not good. So there is too much traffic. If you say there is a lot of traffic, still, you're driving the traffic and maybe you complain a little bit. Oh, there is a lot of traffic. So that's not good. But when you say there is too much traffic, too much is like you can't stand that. That's that's so boring. So when you say too much, that's like a negative feeling. So you don't like that thing.